Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some cheese pastry. This pastry is great for quiches. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. This pastry is great for quiches or some savory tarts. Okay, so I've got some butter in here, which is very soft. You need very soft butter for this. And I'm going to add in my grated cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese for this. The cheese and butter have mixed together quite well. Now I add my flour and salt. And I'm going to mix it. Mix it until most of the lumps have broken apart. You see, these are quite big lumps, but we want them to be just a bit smaller and more mixing. Okay, it's now a bit too thick to mix with my spatula. It's coming together, can you see? It's coming together as a dough. Okay. Now I'm going to put my spatula to the side and bring it together with my hands. That's it. It's very simple to make. You can chill it in the fridge before you try rolling it. So I've got some cling film here. Put it on there. Flatten it a bit. Cover and put it in the fridge. You can label it and put it in the fridge. I've got these jam labels. I don't need them for jam at the moment. So I just wrote cheese pastry and you can write your date on there. I'm using it soon, so there's no need for me to write the date. Place it in a freezer bag, or just if you don't have a freezer bag, just put more plastic on top, wrap it up and put it in your freezer. Having a date is good because you know exactly when you made it and if it's still fresh. So thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.